Hi everybody. Those who were in my Algebra 1 class on Thursday were having a little bit of trouble, so what I thought I would do is make solutions for you. I will tell you the answers, and if you need them, great. If you got it correct, great. Otherwise, you can skip ahead to the next problem. Or you know what I mean. Anyway, also telling you, I'm using this like writing tablet and this stylus with this fancy glove. So my handwriting is still a work in progress on this. But I think it's important for you to see my face as well. So answer, first of all, for both problems is 20. So if you got 20, you can skip ahead to the next problem. All right, I'm going to go step by step here. So 19 plus 20. Okay, order of operations tells us we do exponents first. 2 to the negative second is 1 over 2 to the second, and 2 to the second is 4. So that's 1/4. I can do this exponent too. 3 to the second is 9. And let me write up PEMDAS here. Okay, so no parentheses. We took care of the exponents. Now, multiplication and division go together, addition and subtraction go together. Next, so what I do is I'm going to write 19. Now this gets multiplied. 20 times 1/4 is 5. And I'm going quickly, but you can use a calculator or you can pause at any point. Go back to PEMDAS. No parentheses, no exponents. Look, more multiplying. 19 plus 10 minus 9. Okay, I'm through here. I'm at addition and subtraction. 29 minus 9. And so this answer is 20. Okay, let's try the next one. 36 minus 2. Okay, I'm at an exponent. Divided by 2 to the negative second is 1 over 2 squared, or 1/4. 5 squared is 25, minus 3 times 11. Okay, no more exponents. Now we're at multiplying and dividing, but you go from left to right. So again, I rewrite as I go. 36 minus, all right, 2 divided by 1/4 is actually 8. Plus 25 minus 3 times 11. You can see that I'm basically doing one step each time. Okay, again, return to PEMDAS. Parentheses, exponents. Okay, look for your multiplying and dividing. Three times 11 is 33. Now, you should be able to do this all in one step. Okay, 36 minus 8 is 28, plus 25, but I'm going to do it step by step. Minus 33. Okay, 53 minus 33, and so my answer is 20. Okay, if you need any steps, you can always pause the video. So I'm going to go to the next one. Okay, next set of answers for both. Okay, both answers here are 75. So if you got 75, terrific, you can go ahead. Okay, 30 plus. Okay, my first step this time is absolute value. Absolute value is like parentheses. Negative 2 times 5 is negative 10. Divided by 2, divided by 3 to the negative 2. I'm sorry, I need to be writing PEMDAS each time as reference. I forget that I'm on a different slide. Okay, continue with parentheses. So 30 plus. Okay, absolute value of negative 10 is 10. 20 minus 10. 20 minus 10 is 10. Divided by 2, divided by 3 to the negative second. Okay, all done with parentheses. Now I'm going to go to exponents. 30 plus 10 divided by 2, 3 to the negative second is 1/9. Okay, now I'm at multiplying and dividing from left to right. 30, my first multiplying and dividing is right here. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Okay, more multiplying and dividing. 5 divided by 1/9 is 45. And now last step is 75. The other problem in this one should be easier. Okay, parentheses first. 80 minus 20 divided by 5 minus. Okay, within the parentheses, the multiplying comes first. So 2 times 5 is 10. Finish off your parentheses. 11 minus 10 is 1, and the parentheses go away. Go back to PEMDAS, multiplying and dividing. So I see a dividing problem. 20 divided by 5 is 4. Now it should be easy. 76 minus 1 is 75. All right, the next two problems, the answers for both are 78. So if you got 78, great, you can move ahead. I'm going to write my trusty PEMDAS up here. Okay, first step is parentheses. 8 squared plus 18 minus 2. Okay, within parentheses is 8 divided by 4. I'm going to go to exponents next. 64 plus 18 minus 2 times 8 divided by 4. Okay, I'm done with parentheses, I'm done with exponents. Now go to multiplying. 64 plus 18. Okay, 2 times 8 is 16. Back to PEMDAS. 64 plus 18. Okay, dividing comes next. Okay, now we're just adding and subtracting. So 82 minus 4 is 78. Okay, let's try the one over here. Absolute value is like parentheses. So do that first. Negative 7 minus 3 is negative 10. Okay, so next comes this multiplying. This is really a multiplying problem here. I'm going to keep the minus. Absolute value of negative 10 is 10. 10 times 4 is 40. Just keep going one step at a time. Okay, 40. Next step is dividing. 40 divided by 5 is 8. Okay, and now from left to right. 92 minus 14 is 78. Last set of problems, the answers for both are 72. So if you got 72, good job. This one I think is a little bit easier. So parentheses first. 60 divided by 3 times 5. Okay, 8 minus 2 is 6. Okay, clearly we have an exponent here. Okay, 6 squared is 36. Multiplying and dividing. 60 divided by 3 is 20. You can see I'm continuing to do one step at a time. 20 times 5 is 100. Now from left to right, you're adding and subtracting. 100 minus 36 is 64. 64 plus 8 is 72. I had to think about that one for a second. Okay, last one, parentheses. So 120 times 2 to the negative 2 times 2. Okay, parentheses. 9 minus 6 is 3. Okay, just so that you can see, I'm going to do my exponents one step at a time. So I'll do this one first. Actually, I can do them in one step. 2 to the negative 2 is 1 over 2 squared, or 1 to the 4th. 1 over 4. 3 squared is 9. Okay, back to PEMDAS, multiplying and dividing. 120 times 1/4 is 30. And I continue to rewrite. You see I'm always writing from left to right. 30 times 2 is 60. 60 minus 9 is 51. 51 plus 21 is 72. And there's my match. I hope this helped. And remember, you can ask me on Friday if you have questions or any other time during office hours.